Well, hello everyone. I'm curious, do you like a McRib sandwich? I sure do, and I kinda miss them too. Well, guess what? I'm gonna show you how to make a McRib casserole. I made it up in my brain. Let's make it now. Spray your baking dish. This casserole is gonna be like a bubble up casserole. And a bubble up casserole means it uses ripped jumbo biscuits. I've made another bubble up casserole in the past that's similar to this, a Big Mac bubble up. You'll have to check my description of this video and you'll see a link to that one. Just rip it up and put them in the bottom of that dish. I'm gonna put these in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes to allow them to start to bubble up. These act as the bun of the McRib sandwich. Have you seen these in your local grocery store? This is the Encore brand. I think that Banquet and other companies may make a similar riblet. Well, I'm gonna be using this in my McRib casserole. I've already pre-cooked them and chilled them a bit. I'm just gonna chop them up to get them ready for the casserole. Add those to the biscuits. I'm gonna add a chopped sweet onion on top of that. And some pickles. I'm using the sweet bread and butter pickles. I'm not using the sauce that the Riblets came in. I'm gonna be using some tangy, sweet baby rays. Squeeze that on top. And now I'm gonna put it back in the oven. I'm gonna check it after maybe 10 minutes to see if those biscuits are cooked. Otherwise, it might take 15 to 20 minutes. The McRib sandwich was first introduced in Kansas City area McDonald's in 1981. It was very, very popular, but then it kind of disappeared. In 2022, they did a farewell tour and brought the McRib back just for a goodbye tour. Do you think it will come back again? Who knows? We've got ourselves a McRib casserole. Let's scoop it out. Whoa. Am I at Mickey D's? This McRib is fabulous. You gotta try it. Come on now. Get in your kitchen and make a McRib casserole soon. Thanks for watching. Did you hear that McDonald's tried to make a beef version of the McRib sandwich? It failed. Hopefully they learn from their mistakes.